I am setting myself a challenge to complete an artwork in 5 minutes on black watercolor paper. So let's see how we go. Let me see if I can show you this so that it's sparkling in the sunlight. I know I didn't exactly get this done in under 5 minutes. I don't even think I got it done in under 10 minutes. I'd love to do another challenge and get the next one down in under 5 minutes. If you want to give this dandelion a go, give it a go. Grab yourself some black watercolor paper. If you're not sure how to get started with black watercolor paper, I have a video on my channel all about getting started with black watercolor paper, so go and watch that next.